how to turn on or turn off speaker on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can turn off or turn on speaker in a WeChat chat. The first step is to launch the WeChat application on your device, and once you've done that, move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons such as contacts, discover, me, and then click on the me icon. Then once you've done that, on the me page, you'll see options like favorites, my post, sticker gallery, settings. So just go ahead and click on settings, and then on the settings page, you'll see other options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, message notifications, chat, general, friends permissions, etc. Click on general. On the generals page, you'll see options like dark mode, landscape display, auto update, etc. You will see that you cannot find anything like speaker being displayed there. So if that's the case, go back and then select chat instead of general. So on the generals page, you can see the first option which says switch to ear speaker, and you can see that it's turned off automatically. So to turn this on, tap on it this way and the speaker would be turned on. All right, but turn it off, tap on it, and once it's done, once it becomes black, it means that it has been turned off. Or if it's green, it means that it has been turned on. So this is it. This is how to turn it on, and this is how to turn it off. So I hope you've learned how you can turn on or turn off speaker on WeChat. Thanks for watching and have a good day.